Hello! You have finally made your decision to get your hair transplant to end your baldness and alopecia problems once and for all. But still, you're a little bit scared, you still have some doubts, maybe some questions. Well, in today's video we will try to highlight the most common mistakes that people are doing when they are getting a hair transplant, and of course we will tell you how to avoid doing those mistakes. Well, the first mistake that some people are making is to look before anything else at the prices the hair transplant center is offering. In fact, it is a mistake because we are talking about your health here. So before anything else, you should be looking at the experience, the guarantee, and the quality of the services of the center and not be so price focused. So you should be looking for experienced professionals. And that is linked to another mistake that some people are making. They tend to not investigate so much about the hair transplant centers. And actually, you should look for as much documents as you can. It is your right to ask the company about certifications, about the technique that are used and the advantages of these techniques, about the diplomas. You can make research about the center itself on internet, about the surgeon. You should find information a little bit everywhere. So yeah, that is a very important point, to take your time to find as much information as you can. So now we will look at common mistakes made after the hair transplant. And sometimes people after the hair transplantation, they tend to think that their hair is very fragile. And in fact, for the first 10 days they will have to be very gentle, but after that we recommend our patients to massage and clean properly their hair, because massaging will stimulate your blood circulation, it will bring more nutrients basically to your scalp, and stimulating your scalp is very important, so do not hesitate to actually have physical interactions on your scalp. Of course, always make sure your hands are clean and everything, but yeah, do not be so scared about your hair being so fragile. Well, on one side, people tend to forget the positive recommendations, but on the other side, they also tend to forget the negative points to avoid, such as for a certain period of time, not going to very hot and humid places, such as sauna or Turkish hammam, to avoid heavy sun, heavy rain, or if you're going to the sea, to not put your head under water for a certain time. So if people tend to forget this kind of information, well, it can have a bad impact on your hair transplant without you noticing it. So to conclude, at Dr. Jen Aesthetic, if you follow our instructions and use properly the post-operative products that we provide, such as the biotin tablets, the special foam and shampoo and serum and oils. You can also take the mesotherapy sets to apply with the derma roller. You can also multiply PRP sessions, so on and so forth. If you do everything, we can guarantee you that you will get amazing results. But on the other side, if you forget and make mistakes that we tried to warn you about, well, you can negate maybe not all your efforts, but a part of your efforts. So do not be scared about this. You should keep in mind to always follow our recommendations, and if you have any question or concern, do not hesitate to contact us, as we are here for you to take care of you even after your hair transplantation. You will never bother us, don't worry about that.